And will the graphics card prices will decline?
Benefit to customer. For nominal margin, we are operating each and
I
every.
really want that it comes below MSRP.
Yeah, everybody is waiting for that.
yeah.
Like-
Definitely. So hello guys, welcome to Tech Cosmos. मैं हूँ फरहान और अभी यार हम लोग ग्राफिक्स कार्ड की वीडियो कवर करने वाले हैं इस कोल्लम सिटी में। तो केरला की सिटी ऑब्वियसली आपको पता ही होगा ही, नहीं पता तो पता कर लो, ठीक है। तो ठीक है, हम लोग जल्दी जाते हैं। अभी मैंने और वीडियोस काफ़ी सारी कवर की यहाँ पर, अगर मैंने एडिट करके डाल दी है तो यहाँ आई बटन में आ रहा होगा, वरना फिर देख लेना चैनल पे जाके। आप इतने अच्छे तो हो ही यार, इतना तो कर दोगे मेरे लिए। चलते ऊपर गैस, फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे शॉप है, ठीक है। दिखाता हूँ आपको प्राइसेस पूरी और बहुत सारी और वीडियोज यार, डू चेक इट आउट। चलते दिखाता हूँ रास्ता कैसे। तो कैसे, तो ये रास्ता और ये अच्छा खासा व्हील चेयर के लिए बनाया हुआ है। तो इधर से जाना है आपको। काफ़ी अच्छा प्लाजा है, खाने पीने के लिए बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं और मेरे मुंह में यहाँ पानी आ रहा है, पता नहीं क्यों, फॉर ऑब्वियस रीजंस। तो चलते हैं ऊपर। और ये मेरे जूते हैं ठीक है गाइस। यहाँ पर काफ़ी सारे रिटेल आउटलेट्स हैं, कुछ बंद हैं, पता नहीं क्यों, फॉर नॉट ऑब्वियस रीजंस। तो यहाँ पर डेल का भी स्टोर है एक्सक्लूसिव, यहाँ पर कुछ मोबाइल्स की दुकानें हैं और ये पता नहीं टेक्नोलॉजी समथिंग है। Yes, we have reached the shop and this is Sri Balaji Computers and this is the shop and you can see graphics card over here and we are obviously gonna cover graphics card video. So let's get into more shit and here are all the PCs guys which I have covered. Do check it out please. So let's meet our sir. Hello sir, how are you?
Hi, fine.
What's your good name sir?
Aditya.
Aditya sir. So tell me about the shop location.
Our shop is located in Kerala, Kollam city.
Kollam City.
Kollam
okay.
city, Bishop Jairam Nagar complex is there.
Okay.
On that, our first floor is shop is located.
Okay, fine. So what products do you deal in?
We are dealing in all kind of IT accessories, desktop builds like budget builds or gaming PC and all graphic cards.
And everything.
Everything,
Like whole IT products.
Whole IT products you can get wholesale as well as retail.
Okay.
All
So
items.
guys, let's start GB prices. So what are the prices over here?
Prices like base model starting 2 GB graphic card we can offer you 2480, 2480 2-year warranty graphic card.
Okay.
Then if you need like 4 GB base model graphic card, that is also available with 2-year warranty, just 4450 only.
Okay.
Then coming like quadro graphic cards are
Yeah.
available, 4 GB,
T400.
T200, T400,
400,
T600 all available.
What are the prices of T400? if I ask?
T400 price will be 12,200 net.
12,200?
All inclusive, including GST.
Okay.
All
All the prices are
sealed
yeah.
and with GST bill available.
All with proper GST bill.
Proper GST bill with brand service warranty.
Yeah, and you can claim GST refund also, guys.
Yeah. GST input also you can claim.
Yeah.
Then comes like 1050 Ti.
Yeah.
That is just 16,900 only.
Yeah.
1650 available.
Yeah.
That is 20,800. All having
20,000.
3-year warranty
Yeah,
graphic card. Then high end if you need like 3050, 3060.
Will you coming to 1030 first? 1030 is it available?
1030 actually shortage.
Okay.
But price is around 7,200.
10,000.
DDR5.
So if the stock is available, you can order, guys.
Yeah, you can ask for like confirmation first, then we can update you.
Yeah, but I will really recommend to go to 1050 Ti rather than 1030.
is better, yeah.
Yeah, 1030.
Even 4GB GT 730 is also good.
Yeah.
For below 4,500 price range.
Yeah.
That is
So what are the price of 1050 Ti if I ask?
1050 Ti will be 16,900 net.
16,900
All
net.
inclusive, yeah.
Okay,
3-year warranty.
if I ask like if you deliver GP or any of these products pan India.
Pan India courier facility is available.
Yeah.
Like almost same day dispatch or next day dispatch within 1 or 2 days.
Okay.
Mostly in case like if product is shortage, so we can dispatch it in within 2 days maximum.
Okay, perfect.
Almost all items are ready in stock, so
Okay.
we can dispatch like next day. Today before 5 o'clock if order is confirmed, so we can assemble and build a PC. Then next day it will be delivered. Dispatch from here.
Okay.
Delivery will take time depending on pin code and area.
Yeah.
That courier.
So guys, now we'll be covering about the 2060 because I don't think that 1660 Super is that much valuable right now, like value to money. Okay?
Yeah.
Like if you buy 1660 Super, you can go
Instead
to
of this,
2060.
go to 20 series.
2060,
2060
3050
is
is
available
there.
like 25,900 only.
Yeah. What the price is?
25,900.
25,900, including all the GST, all everything.
All inclusive. All I am giving net rate.
Yeah.
Then 12GB whole 4C edition available gigabyte.
Okay.
That is just 31,000 around 30,800.
12 GB, 2060.
12 GB, yeah, 2060.
Okay,
That
fine,
is also
fine.
available.
Perfect.
Or 3050 you
3050,
can order 30,400 only.
30,400.
400 net.
These are the best prices, which I would say.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect.
Then 3060 12 GB available, 33,200 only.
33,200. And talking
Ah.
about the 3060 Ti, is it demanding?
TI, yeah, also in demand.
Okay.
That is around approx 9 to 10,000 variation is there.
Okay.
41 800, 42 500,
Yeah,
like that.
yeah,
Depending on brand
Brands,
availability.
yeah, obviously.
Galax, MSI, Gigabyte.
All
these
brands are there?
All brands are available.
Okay, perfect. So let's talk about 3070, guys. What are the prices of it?
3070 price will be Asus dual fan 58,600.
58,600.
Yeah, 3070.
So what about the prices of 3070 Ti?
3070 Ti 63,500.
63,500. And if I talk about 3080?
3080 Gigabyte will be available 79,800 only.
79,800, 3080.
Yeah.
Okay. And what are the price of 3090, the beast level card?
3090 beast level card, very good price right now. Zotac card available.
Okay.
1,51,900.
1 lakh.
All inclusive.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
So guys, these are the graphics card of Nvidia, and we will be talking about AMD graphics card.
Radeon graphic card.
Radeon, yeah. So talking about the 6600, what are the prices of it?
That is 28,900 only.
28,900.
Yeah.
And obviously it will give the performance about
Best performance.
Yeah,
with,
best performance.
Paired with Ryzen processor.
yeah, and it will give performance about 3050
Ah.
and around 3060 also.
36 also
Yeah.
similar. Like you can switch to 6600 XT.
Yeah.
That is just 35,000 only.
35,300 and
Yeah.
it will give around the performance to 3060 Ti.
3060.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. So guys, let's talk about 6700 XT. Is it available?
6700 XT is shortage right now.
Okay.
6900 XT is available.
Okay, what are the prices of it?
Around 81,900.
81,900. These are the cards, guys. And what about T400, T600, T1000?
T400 available. Quadro card. Quadro
cards
cards are already shortage.
Okay.
T400 will be available 12,200 only.
12,200. T400 is only available right now.
T400.
T400,
ready stock.
huh,
Yeah,
okay.
that is ready in stock.
Okay, perfect. And if someone wants T600 or T1000, they
Against
can.
order that will be available.
Yeah.
Like depending on market availability.
They can call you. Basically,
They can call or WhatsApp better.
yeah.
So we will update them best price.
Yeah, and
For
guys.
best recommendation for full PC build, you can get best offer for that.
Yeah, guys, if you want to build a PC build like this, so you will get the best prices of graphics card and definitely
Processor, motherboard,
all combined.
very good price.
And we have also covered one video, so do check it out, guys. Obviously, check it out. So, guys, everything is available in the description, like numbers, address over here of the
We are
shop.
limited for lowest price,
Yeah.
best benefit to customers.
Okay,
So
perfect.
for nominal margin, we are operating each and every item.
Yeah.
We have a very wide range of products,
Yeah.
so you can get very good pricing.
And will the graphics card prices will decline, plummet? or-
Depends on market.
Yeah.
Like currently, very much drop out in graphic cards.
Okay.
So
Yeah, obviously.
Further
Yes.
also, we expect like there will be correction of 5 to 10%.
Okay.
As 40 series graphics cards are
4000 series,
by,
yeah.
by year end.
Okay.
So these all graphic cards will be currently market is steady.
So
But,
we will definitely see a decline.
yeah, we'll see a decline. We'll
Yeah.
get correction like 5 to 10% variation is still there.
Okay. Yeah.
We can get
obviously.
good price.
It will come to near about MSRP, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
near MSRP it will come definitely.
And I would really want that it comes below MSRP.
Yeah, everybody is waiting for that.
yeah.
Like-
Definitely, guys.
Currently very good pricing.
Yeah.
Graphic card, but still we expecting a decline also.
So, guys, all the numbers, calling number, WhatsApp number, all available in the description. So do check it out and do visit this shop if you want to build a PC. So we'll be covering many videos over here. So do check it out and take care. Goodbye.
Goodbye.